QSI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Quantum SI, I've been sitting a good 190, 4% down. Ultimately, as I'm looking and observing this, I'm looking to take things up. This is not going to be me randomly buying, but this is going to be me properly waiting for my executions to be met, you know, because I'd rather stick to my edge that I've tested for 35,000 videos rather than just freaking force trades. So with QSI, beautiful first break. Like intraday, I was looking for more longs as long as the rules were met, but this demand just seems like it does not want to hold any proper structure. And again, like I always mentioned, without my rules and that double break shift being met, then I have no desire. Yeah, that's the word that I'm looking for. No desire to take things up. So yeah, like if it just starts melting, that's for sure, you know, I'll just get rid of this. So again, for right now, I'm only going to be optimistic as long as the price shows me rules. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the very first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll keep you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.